Welcome to my channel. Today I'm with Jocelyn Clinton, and we're playing with my 3 pounds of slime that I got. So this is good.
And if you want to buy some, they're at Walmart.
Yeah, for the same price as one dumb LOL doll.
There's lots at Walmart.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta set up the camera.
Hold on, guys.
There.
Now you can see us.
And we've got our own straw, so when we make bubbles, we can suck the air out and then blow them up bigger. Let's go. So now it's 3 pounds. There it goes, guys. No, don't touch it. I want to make it like Jello. It's like Jello. It is. Ready? I'm gonna put a handprint in it. Don't do it. No, let me make my first bubble. I'm gonna show that.
Violet, there's a bubble. You see that? Isn't that
There's the first bubble.
Now let's both pop.
Ready?
Count 3. 3,
2, 1.
Jeez.
Really,
I'm sure you
Papa?
guys aren't animals.
We're on YouTube.
We're making a slime video.
Oh, I didn't know that. Now I'm on your video.
Get away.
He's in his underwear as the shirt.
Hold on.
Now, we got
So, I think this is what we should do. Yeah, this is perfect now.
Yeah.
So now, Joe, give me it. Now we're going to split the slime.
Split it. Ow. That hurts. Look
We
how much
split
I got.
slime. 3 pounds. I think we have like 1.5 pounds each.
One.
Now, well, she does whatever she wants. This is how you make I'm going to teach you how to make a slime bubble. So what you do, you make slime.
Look, guys, I have a green cat.
I can't make it perfect. It's
not slime.
weird.
This
So
one's
what you do
not
is you
slime.
take it, and then you mold it into a ball.
This is not slime,
You
guys.
throw it down
This is a cast right here. It's not slime.
like 5 times.
It's not slime. It's a cast.
You big liar.
I made a cast.
And then what you're going to do is you're going to spread it out with your arms. And if you have thread bracelets on,
I'm
be
just
careful.
kidding. It's not.
Then what you do is you take some slime, you should see through it,
Oh, hi, Mr. Grandpa.
and you throw it down. And this is how you get a bubble.
Then, what you do, you blow it.
And then you take a shawl. Don't blow in mine. You start blowing air out, and then you suck it in, and you should get inside the bubble. Like this.
Then you just...
So my shawl's in now. Now I gotta blow. I popped my bubble. And then you grab some more. Oh, hot. Like when I'm on my knees, it's so hard to see. Shoot, it's on my bracelet. I'm gonna take my bracelet off. So now what you do is just you make another bubble.
I just made a bubble, too.
This is the perfect slime. If you ever go to Walmart looking for
I'll
slime,
be back,
make
guys.
sure to get the 3 pounds.
Yeah, it's like only like how much?
It's $9.88.
At Walmart.
Same as one dumb LOL doll. I don't get why they can't just make it $10. Voila. Hello.
Yeah, if you work at Walmart, don't think we're making fun of you because we're not. That's our favorite
I don't
place.
think anybody that works at Walmart would be watching this.
I do.
So Joe, remember that? Remember at Dad how I took my tablet to Mom's from Dad's? So remember how we made the one where we danced the Pennywise Sings a Song?
Yeah.
We got featured on Aaron Fraser Nash. Do you know what featured means?
No.
It means he records your video on his channel. He'll watch it on a big screen. Then he'll record it and he'll put it on his channel. Because we sang like 18 songs of his and posted on YouTube.
Guys, look what I made. It's a swirl.
Hey, that's my bear's name.
Do you not see that bubble, guys? That's enormous.
I just gotta find a way to... My bubble popped. Yay.
That's how you get the pop. You say,
Okay, you got a problem with you. We're gonna make like 2 more videos after this.
guys, look.
So make sure to subscribe and like.
Did you see that bubble, guys?
I'm gonna make a bigger one. Oh, that didn't work.
It's a pancake.
So now let's do my technique, Charleston.
Was that loud?
You threw my bracelet down.
Guys, comment down below if you have 3 pounds of slime.
Yeah, I don't think anybody's bought that. Watching it too. Shout out to Mallory Rick. Whoop. What happened if it goes on the inside? Whoop.
And we'll put my channel in the description.
Maybe. And then my other channel. Actually, I don't need to tell you guys, because if you watch my channel right now, you know that it's also Bye Bye Isabel.
This is the phone, the other one's a tablet. Look, I'm a green hand monster. I'm trying to get you a monster.
Hello.
That's a lie we put on the camera.
Ooh. Now we're gonna make a green
Guys, I'm the
like what
stick
Eddie needed
monster.
it.
It's sticking.
It's gonna be like what Eddie
sticking to me.
needed.
Look, guys, everything's sticking to me.
You put in my hair.
Now, watch this. If I do this, my now,
I don't even think they can.
now, that's slime. Guys, if you see anything,
Hello,
like
can you
that.
see me?
Oh my god!
I flipped the phone
Oh
over.
my god! Oh my god! Guys,
So now we're gonna do the technique.
guys,
again.
if you see from like Hawaii stuff, we're not from Hawaii. We're from America.
Okay, Joe, you ready?
Because my man Papa went to Hawaii.
Hawaii's in America, I think.
No.
So, Justin, now we're gonna do the technique. Roll the slime into a bouncy ball. Then throw it down about 5 times. Go get your straw, idiot. And then okay, so now you can do, she threw a slide boy over there. So now what you're going to do, Joe, can you grab me my glass of water? Because I'm thirsty. Grab mine too. So now we're going to do the technique. Then you push it down and flatten it with your arms. I asked for a cup of water and this is what cup I got. Come on, Joe. Then you grab one end. And you throw it down and make a bubble. Hey, I need my straw. Jocelyn, you just messed up the camera.
What?
Jocelyn.
The slime's getting.
Well, then why did you do that?
Oh,
Shoot! I just spilled water. Now it feels like I peed my pants. So that's the end of our video now, I guess. So bye.